All right, friends, today we're gonna be checking out a 78 key wired keyboard. Now, this comes from a company, I can't really pronounce their name. It is on Amazon, it does have some great reviews. So let's go ahead and look at the ad real quick, because I always like doing that. So you'll see it's 15 bucks on Amazon. It does have 28 ratings and is a 4.3 out of 5. So pretty decent, not amazing, not horrible. Pretty lightweight and ergonomic and very compact, very small. And yeah, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. All right, here we are. So this one doesn't have any stickers, it looks like, which is great. So it's nice and easy to unfold and pull out. It does have a happy, not happy thank you card as well. Piece of cardboard. All right, so this is all plastic. The keyboard is kind of squishy, so it absorbs, and it's actually pretty quiet. So nice compact size with the Windows button layout, as you can see. We're gonna pull this bad boy apart. So these twist ties, sometimes I would untwist them, but I realize that if I just cut them, it tends to be faster if I don't destroy cables in the process. Yeah, so I would say that's less than 6 feet, because my arm, it's probably like 5 feet worth of cable. So yeah, cool. And that's our first look at this keyboard. So I do live streaming for a living. If you want to check out what I do, you can check out the Corporate Streams YouTube channel. Or if you want to see more unboxings and other products that I've reviewed, you can check out the Hacking Hollywood channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.